Hey everybody, Mike here from advertisingreportcard.com, and today we hate to see it. Locked out of the Facebook ad account. Whether this is for people with ads or without ads, this guide can show you how to get back into a Facebook account in order to unlock it. And also, if you have an ad account that gets locked, that causes your profile to get locked out or disabled. As you can see here, this is a message. Your account is temporarily locked. Never a good thing to see. Here it is on mobile. I'm sure if you're watching this video, you are familiar with a screen like this. So don't fret. First of all, Facebook advertises the fact that they do not support. They don't have support staff. You can't just call Facebook. There's no way of doing that. They try to say that. People have said that, but it's not true. Facebook has support. It's absolutely something available. How it's available is what's kind of tricky. So if you were to Google your account being locked out, there's a lot of different articles as to how to fix this. And then Facebook has the most useless one out of them, maybe next to USA Today. We're going to show you exactly how to fix this right now by searching something similar. And this, again, is for business and non-business owners. Facebook Business Help Support. You can see here there's a Facebook Business Help Center. I click on this link right here. And this might change from time to time, but it's the same concept. And you can see, oh, they just moved it out of the way. So you thought that it would be easy, but if you just scroll down, it's actually still there. Still need help? Find answers or contact support. Let's get started. So when you click on this button, it's going to ask you how you can be helped. Sometimes you can do chat. Sometimes you can do an email ticket. But in general, the first thing that they're going to pull up are your ad assets and page assets. So let's say you don't have any pages or business assets. Can't find your asset? Let's see if there's some load more. Load more. What we're looking for is, oh, well, this will work as well. So if you have ever used Business Center, you have an account after your name, and then you can create a business manager account. So you should be able to submit through that as well, even if you don't have any pages. Now it's asking for your asset account. You can say ad account, Facebook page, Instagram account is a great way to get past this if you need to connect an Instagram account. Most people have those set up. And now what you can do is my Instagram was hacked. My Instagram account has been disabled or deleted. So the benefit of that is now your Facebook and Instagram are related, so you can start this conversation. Instagram was hacked. Enter in your information, your phone number, provide the details, take any screenshots, and start the chat. Await average time, 9 minutes. So again, there's a few things you have to finagle in order to get to this area, but the point is anybody can get to this area. Even if you play stupid and stumble through some of the button selections you choose, as long as you get on chat support, they can redirect you to where you need. Now, if you get on chat and happen to say the wrong thing, they might try to disconnect or redirect, so make sure you have your stuff together. Hey, this is me. Here's my picture of my license, or here's my proof of person, proof of identity. And there really shouldn't be any hiccups. This happens. Facebook's not a perfect system, and this is a way that you can fix the imperfect ways that profiles and ad accounts can get disabled. If you found this video helpful, please like and follow. That's what they tend to say in these YouTube videos. Try to keep it short and sweet, under 5 minutes. Hope this was helpful.